you could still in the 70s find theaters in New York, you know, in Brooklyn mainly, but also in the Bronx, where around the holidays they would show Yiddish films, and I would go. I mean, I would always be like the youngest person by like, I mean, the next youngest person would probably be like 3 times as old as I was, you know. But I would go to the, so I wrote an article about this for the Voice, and so they knew that I knew about all this film stuff, and they gave me this job, and I just, at the time, it wasn't something I had set out to be. I mean, I was actually interested in other things, and I was interested in making movies and theater stuff. I mean, it was a to pay the rent. That was fun for me. But it worked out so well, and I got so much satisfaction and also like so much positive feedback from the world that that just became what I did.